Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how to bleach the knots on your frontal and your wig units. So let's jump right in. Today's video is sponsored by Victoria's Wigs. Once you open your box, these are some of the contents that are going to be inside. This is their Winnie 20-inch straight wig unit. As you guys see, it's a nice texture and it's got a little shine to it. So if we look a little bit closer, this is actually their fake scalp unit, which I'll go into a little bit more details in a moment. But as you guys see, there's some fabric under the lace intended for someone for a quicker application. Once you turn the wig inside out, as you guys see, it has 4 combs. It's not a full lace, but there is a good amount of lace portion. There is also a adjustable band in the back. So if you look a little bit closer, you guys see that it's actually just a thin little piece of material sewn on under the lace. When I tried it on, it didn't really work for my hairline, so I tried to tint it, but it didn't take to the tint very well, so I ended up taking it out. And this is what the wig looks like once the hair has been washed and conditioned and that material has been removed. So these are the knots before we begin the bleaching process. Now I went ahead and sped up the end of this video just for time's sake, but I'm going to take my Got2b spray and I'm going to spray this all over the hairline, combing the hair back. Now what this is going to do is just help keep the hair out of the way just in case any bleach seeps through or anything like that. So next we're going to take our bleach and our developer and we're going to mix them together. Now we're going for a thick consistency. You don't want it to be really runny because you don't want it to run through the lace. So as you guys see, mine is on the thicker side. It can actually be a little bit thicker if you wanted to. Personally, I like to use a plastic butter knife to apply my bleach, but you can use whatever you like. You just want to take your time and apply the bleach evenly over the lace, and you do not want to press too hard because you don't want the bleach to seep through. Now I will be watercoloring this unit black after this, and I'll show you guys how to protect those bleach knots once you're watercoloring your wig, so look out for that. Make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. So as I'm finishing up, as you guys see, I'm bringing the bleach forward a little bit past the hairline just for a natural blend. So once you're done, it should look something like this. I left mine on for about 20 minutes. Personally, I should have left it on about 25-30 just to make sure all of those knots were lifted. But once we were done, it looks something like this. Off camera, I did use Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner to wash out that bleach. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.